seven seas that run high. All these things that won't change, come what may. But the good times have all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I may go out to Alberta, the weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I could go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked it one more time. But we've been through that 1,000 times before. If I get there before the snow flies, all things are going good. You could join me if I send you down the fair. But if you wait until it's winter, it would be no good. For the winds sure can blow cold way down there. Or strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high. All these things that won't change, come what may. But the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Hi, this is Dan for Dan and the Den here for another Thursday. How's everybody doing? A little bit of snow coming down today. It seems to be nice and for the time of the season anyway. Hope your week's going good. It's going to be an interesting week until we get to next week. But watching everything, that I just heard that the numbers are down today for Ontario, so that's really, really good. Lowest it's been in a long time, and maybe we're heading down the right track. Okay, so I just keep washing my hands and staying 6 feet apart and covering my face and doing the best I can to stay home most times. Okay, see you later. Next week, no, maybe this weekend. We'll see what's happening. Okay, all right, bye-bye. Peace and love, mountainmorning.ca.